Okay, so my name is Russ, and I noticed something in my backyard that's pretty strange. There's a clearing over here that didn't exist. All the trees that are around in a circle, all these small trees, they're all pushed out. They're all pushed out in a circle, and some are broke, and it just looks pretty damn strange. So I'm gonna get a shot with the drone to try to show you exactly what's going on here. I even have some meters. Let's see if it's hot. $87 in the middle. It's like there's a hole. I hope it's not a fucking sinkhole. Holy shit. Imagine that. Sinkhole. Gets sucked in. Okay, so that was 86 degrees there. Hard to tell though, it's hot. Now let me get this drone going. Send this drone over. It's the backyard. And there's the spot. Now there was always like a closing over here. You could never see through this area, but you could see the trees are bent back. Seems to be a little interference here too. Now you see the trees, how they're in a circle and they're bent. I'll try to brighten it up a little bit here. Kind of weird, right? It wasn't like this the other day. So this just happened. Look at the way they're all bent. Try to get it like right overhead without hitting anything. Very strange. It's easy to see on its back. I go ghost hunting, so I have all this stuff. I don't get any readings. Actually, there's something like when I swing it, but maybe it's just for swinging. All right. That's a wrap. Kind of strange, right? If anything else strange happens, I'll be sure to let you know.